In this video, we'll be talking about middlewares. So if you haven't subscribed, please do that. You're new to this channel, turn on notifications, subscribe, like this video, comment, and let's continue. So basically, what are middlewares? Just see middlewares as bouncers for your website. They restrict movement of user in your website. For example, I apply a middleware in front of a route. That means the request, if the request doesn't have the necessary criteria that I specify for the middleware, the request will be denied. It's just like you going to the club, you don't have a pass, you don't have anything, you can't get in. The bouncer will tell you to go back. So that's what middleware does. Now to demonstrate this, in the next video where we'll be building our mini project, we're going to be using middleware a lot. To just demonstrate this, in this video we're going to be using the auth middleware. Now what the auth middleware does in Laravel is that anywhere you apply the auth middleware, if the user making a request is not authenticated, the request will be denied and the user will be asked to go log in. So let's just see that in action, and I'm going to apply this middleware to this group that we created in the last video. So let's just do that in our group. So right now we've not built our authentication system. That means we're not authenticated. So I'm going to add the auth middleware to this route group that we just created in the last video, and let's see what happens. So right here we're going to say middleware, and this right here will be the auth middleware. So in next videos, in coming videos, I'll show you how to create your custom middlewares and the rest of it. But for now, let's just use the middleware that Laravel provides for us. And let's just go over here and try this right now. So if we try to refresh, you can see we've been redirected to the login route. And we're getting an error because we don't have any route called login. So this is how you work with middlewares. You can see this as restrict your request to actually view this route. So if I should remove this and refresh, you can see I've accessed that route. So this is what middleware does. And if you come over to your project structure under your apps, HTTP. So in your middleware, this is where Laravel keeps all the middlewares. So if we're going to create our middleware, we're going to create it under this folder and we're going to use it. So yeah, so this is how it happens. Let's just go ahead and close all this. So these are the route middleware that Laravel provide for us. This is the auth middleware that we just used. If you notice, they're all inside the middleware folder. So we're going to actually put our own middleware right here when the time comes that we're going to create our middleware. So for now, that will be all for middleware that I just showed you. And yeah, you can also use middlewares within your controller if you don't want to use it in your routes. You know, we use the middleware right here. So to actually restrict your user in your controller, all you just need to do is call the constructor. So this will be construct, I think, yeah. So you're just going to specify the kind of middleware you want to use, and this will be middleware, and this will be the auth middleware. So hopefully this makes sense to you, and if you use it like this will apply to all the methods within this controller. So if we should go ahead and try this, let's see the add, because we actually use this controller on the add route. So let's just go ahead and refresh this. Don't let us refresh. Let's just go over to the add and see we've been directed to login. And you can apply this to some selected methods. All you just have to do is keep it except. So this, if I give this a method of add, so this will apply to all method within this class except the add method. And you can also do, I think, only. Yeah, you can also do only. And yeah, I think you can also do selected. I'm not sure. Selected. Okay, you can't. So yeah, so that's how it works. And I'll see you in next video where we're going to actually get started to build our mini project.